Animals are multicellular eukaryotic organisms that form biological kingdom Animalia, which mostly reproduce sexually. These animals are classified into two groups: vertebrates and invertebrates. When we talk about vertebrates, this refers to the animals with backbones. Examples: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. When we talk about invertebrates, this refers to the animals without backbones. Examples: protozoa, these are animal like protists; echinoderms, starfish; annelids, example earthworm; mollusks, octopus; crustaceans, crabs; and insects. Animals are made up of cells. These cells are groups of tissues which perform a specialized function. We have four types of tissue. Number one in the list is connective tissue. Good examples of this are tendons, which connect muscles to bones; ligaments that connect bones to bones; adipose tissue, which store fats; blood and lymph, which circulate throughout the body; and lastly, cartilages, such as ears and nose. Second, we have muscle tissue, which is specialized tissue responsible for the movement. So we have three types of muscle tissue. Number one is skeletal muscle, which refers to triceps and biceps; smooth muscle, which refers to internal organs such as kidney, bladder, and liver; and lastly, cardiac muscle, which refers to the heart. Third, we have epithelial tissue, which serves as membranes, which lines the organs of the body such as the digestive tract. And lastly, we have nerve tissue, which is responsible in conducting electrical signals in the body such as neurons, which are the functional units of the nerve tissues that transmit impulse to different parts of the body cells. So here we have two parts of neurons. We have axon and dendrites. When we talk about axons, these transmit impulse away from the body cells. When we talk about dendrites, these transmit impulse towards the body cells. Animals vary in their mode of eating. Here we have three classifications: one, herbivores; second, carnivore; third, omnivores. When we talk about herbivore, these are animals that eat plants only, such as rabbit, deer, grasshopper, cow, and goat. Second, when we talk about carnivores, these are animals that eat meats only. They are also known as meat eaters, such as tiger, lion, snake, and eagle. And lastly, when we talk about omnivores, these are animals that eat both plants and animals, such as pig, bear, and raccoon. There are three ways that animals reproduce. We have three classifications. One is oviparous. And these are animals that lay egg. The development of the embryo inside the egg occurs outside the mother's body. So these are animals like frogs, turtle, and parrot. Second, we have viviparous. These are animals that give live birth, such as giraffe, mouse, and cat. And lastly, we have ovoviviparous. These are animals that lay egg. So the development of the embryo inside the egg occur inside the mother's body, such as sharks, garter snakes, and cobra.